Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by checking requirements and installing StayFree now. Make sure your device OS, storage, and permissions are allowed so monitoring works. Once installed, open the app and sign in or create an account. This lets settings sync. Next, set a clear daily screen time goal. Choosing a realistic baseline helps the app learn your habits. You do this first because accurate permissions and goals make later tracking and limits reliable and actionable. Now you configure limits and profiles so the tool enforces behavior. Grant StayFree usage access and notification permission. Without these, app timers won't record correctly. Create profiles like work, study, and leisure, and assign each a specific daily limit so the app applies different rules automatically. Then set focus mode and schedule downtimes for blocks of hours to pause distracting apps. Once done, the app will track in the background. Finish by reviewing reports and fine-tuning limits. You'll adjust when weekly trends show unexpected spikes. Make sure to enable an emergency override using a password or PIN so you can break limits when absolutely necessary. If the app stops tracking, first check permissions and then battery optimization settings. Android often restricts background monitoring. If problems persist, restart the device and reopen the app. These steps usually restore monitoring quickly, preventing lost data and keeping your limits effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.